Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the phone and gear. Plug the original or certified fast charger rated 18W or higher into a reliable wall outlet. Once done, connect a high-quality USB-C cable directly, no cheap adapters or multi-port hubs because they throttle power. Make sure to enable airplane mode or power the device off to minimize background processes that steal charge. Also, remove cases that trap heat so charging stays efficient and safe. You now optimize software and environment. Open battery settings and enable any fast charge or USB PD features your phone offers because software flags allow higher current. Then close or force stop high-power apps like video, maps, or cloud backups and pause large downloads so the phone accepts maximum charge. Make sure the device sits on a cool, flat surface. Heat reduces charging efficiency, so remove cases or move to shade. Together, these adjustments increase charging speed without compromising battery health. You wrap up by timing and troubleshooting. Unplug around 80 to 90% for best daily battery longevity, or allow a full overnight charge when necessary. If charging feels slow, try the cable and charger on a different phone to see whether the accessory or your phone is the problem. If the phone won't accept fast charge, restart it and check for system updates, because firmware can fix charging bugs. Finally, if issues persist, inspect ports for lint or corrosion before seeking repair.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.